All right, in this sort, we are going to explore the Greek roots telephone, photo, and graph. Now, these don't always necessarily have to come at the beginning of a word. These are just roots that are going to be somewhere in a word part that can help us provide meaning of different words. We have the word tele, which has to do with distant, phone, which usually means some kind of a sound, photo, which means light, and graph, which means write, something with writing. When these elements combine with other elements or other word parts, it usually makes the meaning pretty obvious, and we can kind of figure out what they mean based on that. So we're going to talk about some of these words, but really you should be able to you're going to sort them underneath whichever word part they have. Keep in mind that some of them would fit into multiple columns. Like television, you have tele. Tele means distant, so it's like far vision. And think about it, your TV allows you to watch things from far away. Phonics is the sound that has to do with words, so you're talking about like word sounds there. Photograph, light, write. So it's like when you use lights to write or like make a picture of what's going on. A graphic is just like some kind of writing that shows something. Telecast is kind of related to television. It's like something from far away that's cast to you. Autograph is somebody's self-writing. They're writing their own name. It's their autograph. Photocopier, use light to make a copy of something. Graphite is something you use to write with. Headphone, you have phone in there. It's something you use to hear a sound in your ears. Telegraph, far away, writing. Telegraph is a way to send a message far away. Photosynthesis, that's like light, and that actually has the word part syn in it, S-Y-N, which means, that's a pretty frequent one, and that means like together with. So synthesis means like combining or bringing together separate pieces from a whole. So photosynthesis would literally mean bringing together or synthesizing light, which is what plants do when they make food. They take light and they bring it together and create food. So it's photosynthesis. Paragraph is part of writing, right? It's a small little part in writing. Homophone is the way sounds, and like homo means the same, so it's same sounding words. Photographer would, again, it's like photograph, it's just photographer, someone who takes a photograph. Telegram, that's going to be something from far away that's like sent in a gram, which isn't on here, but like that's going to be obviously must be some kind of a message that you send far away, a gram. Phonograph, so phonograph, it must mean something to do with sound and graph, so it sends sounds from far away, or no, it sends sounds into writing. Oh, it must turn sounds into writing. Okay, a phonograph. Telephoto, far away, photo. Like those are like, there's a lot of like telephoto, like telescopes that can take a photo from far away. Microphone. Micro actually means small, and then you have phone, so it's something that makes a small sound and makes it sound bigger. Photogenic. Photo, something that looks good in the light. Choreography, writing. So it's like the writing. This must have to do with like dancing, because choreography is like it's like writing and communicating how to dance. Telephone, far away sounds. You use your telephone. Xylophone is a type of sound machine, something that makes sound. Calligraphy, graph, it's a type of writing. Symphony is sounds, and we talked about that's related really well to syn, like meaning together, and with. So symphony is when you have a lot of sounds together. It's a special type of a band that creates like a symphony. And so, yeah, a lot of sounds together, sounding well. Anyways, that's the words and what they mean. Go ahead and sort them. Pause the video, and I'll show you what this should look like. Okay, so here are your sorted words. Telephone, photo, and graph. Notice that the starred words would fit into multiple categories, so they should be written twice.